Hey guys, it's Desiree from Desiree Daily. Today I am going to rant about work because it was pretty stressful and unnecessary, to say the least. So basically, today went fine. It was like a regular day, okay? So at my job, I get paid commission. And my commission had been a little wrong because some companies got mixed up with another account manager. So I was just trying to get that solved, okay? So through all of that, I was asking questions because the commission are okay. Whew, I'm getting all over the place because I'm a little jumpy. Let me calm down. Okay. So at our job, we get commission. And through that commission, it gets separated from account manager to account manager to account manager. Now, I work at a very new company. So there's a lot of things that don't necessarily have a direct path and they're not fully explained. And that's commission for one. Like I know I get 3%, but everything past that is just kind of unknown. And then you just kind of find out as you're getting along, which really just seems like rules being pulled out of nowhere, but whatever. Okay. So I was talking to my CEO and I was talking to, I guess my manager as well, and trying to figure out some client accounts. And I have probably 80 or so clients. I have a lot of clients. And I asked my CEO about one of them. And it was a client that had canceled. And I wasn't aware that they canceled. So he just like completely flipped the situation from me asking about commission to freaking complaining to me about not knowing that a client canceled. But the thing is, I didn't know the client canceled because I had recently spoken to them and I never got a cancellation notice from them. He said that they canceled because they didn't pay. They just stopped paying. But how would I know that? I can't look at a client's billing. So how would I know that they didn't pay and that ultimately means that they canceled? He even kept what is called is a sales platform. He even kept their sales platform open and active. Like they could still log in and use it if they really wanted to. So I just like, it was just blowing my mind. I was just like, wow, okay, so you're being a child. And this is something he always does. I've been here for about a year and he just does this. Like he's childish. He's a freaking baby. He's someone who I feel like was given a lot through his life because he's said openly that he hated his parents and that like they're dead and he hated them. He couldn't wait until like he could get away from them. Like I don't know many people who would say something like that. That's pretty harsh. But he's just really a selfish person and it's just crazy. He's so selfish. But anyhow, so that went on. He got all upset. He was like, I'm very angry that you didn't know this. And I was like, and I explained it and like, that's what it was. So then my manager sent me a message because we communicate through Skype. He sent me a message and he was like, hey, are you available at 3:30 so that we can have a meeting? And I was like, oh my gosh. So now the CEO's butthurt. Okay, so we can have the meeting. So I go in there, it's me and him. And he's like, I don't know what you did or said, but the CEO is pissed off. And I'm just like, really? Like, really? Like you're pissed off? He's like, he wanted to fire you. And then I was like, oh, I don't want to fire anyone. And I'm just like, it makes no sense. It makes zero sense. We have another employee there who's late every single day, 40 minutes. He's been working there for probably 5 months and he has been late more times than on time. Nothing happens. That's cute. Okay. We have another employee who leaves early every single day with no concern of anything else. But you know what? That's fine too. Cute. I've seen him keep 2 developers there for almost a year and they produce nothing. Nothing at all for a year. But you weren't going to fire them because they didn't talk and because I spoke up. Like, please get out my face because you're like, he just wants people to fall in line. So, and then I had to he gave me like a write-up. Like, it wasn't called a write-up. It was called like an account management counseling. He tried to make it sound fancy. It was a freaking write-up. No one's ever been given a write-up at that freaking company as far as I'm concerned. I literally think he wrote that up just to give it to me. So I was just kind of like, okay, so you clearly have it out for me. That's cute, but whatever. I'm just gonna keep doing my job and get my check because he's gonna be petty and he's always like this. So he travels a lot. So he has to travel tomorrow. And every time he has to travel, he gets in this pissy little mood and starts acting like a little baby. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. And he does it every single time. He's always in a bad mood when he's about to freaking travel. And he uses someone as a target to get at. And it's usually either me or this guy named Garcia. And usually it's been Garcia, but it was me today. And I promise you, I'm pretty sure he's having intercourse with the girl who works at the front desk, who's the sales associate. We've never had a sales associate who worked at the receptionist desk, but for some reason she does, and it's right across from his office. So that's cute. And she was there for work, and his wife came in the office as well because she has an office there and she comes in from time to time. So I'm sure that was a stressful endeavor because usually he goes to lunch with his little boo thing every single day, but he had to go with his wife today. So I'm sure that wasn't too good. Like, it just has my mind blown. It just blown. But that's okay because I've decided I am no longer going to communicate with him. Anytime I need to speak to him, I'm just going to take it through my manager. Like, I'm not going to talk to you. We don't need to communicate. You don't exist to me. Just keep letting me get my checks and let me be on my way. I'm going to do my job, get my check, and be on my way. And keep it at that. Because anything more than that, like, he's doing too much. And the problem is he always wants to act like he's friends or he's funny. He wants people to like him and all this other nonsense. But, like, why? Like, for what? We don't like you. You're a douche. Like, you're not cool, bro. You're not cool. So, yeah. That is my rant. I plan on working here, hopefully, for no more than a year more. And then I can just basically get on with my life because he sucks. And he's just, the more money he makes, the worse he gets. Like, he's just not a good person. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this rant. If so, definitely hit the like button. I'd love to hear some comments below. Tell me how you feel about this story. And definitely subscribe. I post videos daily. I'm not sure what I'll be posting tomorrow or the next day after that. I usually figure it out probably an hour before I'm about to do the video, but it will be up there tomorrow. So, yep. Thank you for watching and goodbye.